Residential solar in India is a sleeping giant. Right now, our electricity infrastructure mostly consists of big coal plants spread across the country.
As the Indian government targets a rooftop solar capacity of 40 gigawatts by 2022, Solar Labs looks to increase the pace of installations by offering automated computer analysis of rooftop capacities.
My name is Siddharth Gangal, and I'm the founder and CEO of the Solar Labs. Solar Labs' vision is to accelerate solar adoption through technology. There is huge capacity for installation of solar panels on top of existing rooftops, but the process of installation of solar is a severe limitation. So as you can see, this is the customer's rooftop. The engineer will take all the measurements. So for example, they'll take all the dimensions in meters or feet inch. Then they will input this into our software. Once those measurements are inputted, then a live replica of this entire roof is created in the Solar Labs. Then our software automatically figures out where to place the panels in the most optimized way so as to ensure that we get the maximum amount of solar energy coming on. That is basically what the software will do. It will tell you exactly how to lay this entire system.
We want to become one-stop solution for all the kinds of services that our customer may need. What we are doing is not creating some new process. What we are doing is actually automating a process that was already happening manually. And now, with the help of the software, reducing the time. Earlier, it used to take 2 to 3 days, and now it can be done in 15-20 minutes.
So the entire design, right, of 150 panels, the software from the start decided where those panels will be. Then it decided, okay, if this is the inverter, this group of panels would be connected to this inverter. Then basically all the connections as they happen here, then the wiring diagrams are constructed automatically within the software. So we know exactly which group of panels would be strung to which inverter. A very key part of energy decentralization will be solar power. Any residents can get their own solar plant. In India, we are going to go towards the concept of microgrids. A microgrid is a collection of individual energy sources in a local area. Many people with larger rooftops could be generators and then provide electricity. Other houses can then purchase electricity from this local microgrid. It's very hard to do that for a wind or nuclear plant. Residents can start contributing directly to solving climate change. In the US, residential solar was the force that drove solar adoption. Residential solar happened first, and then it moved on to commercial and industrial. In India, we're going the opposite way. In India, we don't have a formal credit system. Hence, it becomes very difficult for solar companies to offer solar on a RESCO model, in which the solar company would finance the system. This model is the most common model of solar adoption across the world. In any country, that's the way it's accelerated. But in India, we don't have the finance capability and the credit checks required to fulfill it. Solar Labs will support hundreds of thousands of solar businesses, drive installations over millions of homes in the coming decade. And in the future, it will also provide awareness and provide basic data to the consumers directly so that they can understand what the financial benefit for their roof will be. There are multiple ways that technology can add value. Everything is pointed towards solar and renewable energy growth. Our technology can help accelerate the move towards solar power in India and the world.